Hey, Pretty Planner dolls. This is Chandra Pretty Face Plans back with another planner related video. And as you can see in front of me, I have some Happy Mail. And this Happy Mail is my latest subscription from the Jewel Box by Isis Ella Jewels. So I've kind of cracked this open a little bit, but I haven't really looked at it. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the latest subscription from the Jewel Box, just keep watching. Okay, just putting a little lotion on my hands so my hands are nice and moisturized as I get ready to crack this box open. Wow. And this is just a little card telling me what's going to be in the package. And it says in here, I have 6 pattern papers, 1 pouch, 1 pen, 2 washi tapes, 1 vellum, 1 acetate, 5 sticker sheets, and 1 list pad. So let's move that out of the way and open this on up. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks so pretty. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, it is fire. It is fire. So, I can't even get it. Uh-oh, stuff rolling everywhere. Look at these papers. Look at this pouch. I've been seeing the pouch in the Isis Ella Jewel Facebook group, but I am excited to finally have one. I like this girl on here and her little short pixie haircut. And this bag is huge. I can hold a whole bunch of stuff in here. Ooh, that is too cute. And it says Queen Tings. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty roomy on the inside. Very, very nice. The back is just plain geometric pattern. Let's set that to the side. Then next up we have some more washi. I have some of this washi in this pattern already. It is, let's move this out of the way. It is like a neutral tan color. So this one is more of a burgundy or deep red. My voice is trying to go away. And let me see if these nails are gonna let me roll out a little piece of it. And I want to say this is 5mm size, but look at that. That is too cute. Okay, that was the first washi, or maybe that's 3mm, and this is 5mm. I don't know. I'm trying to open this without breaking my nail. So this looks like some postage stamped washi, which I just got some more postage stamp washi from her. And yes, I did just bite that open because it would not come open. And this one says Queening. And it has these dolls on it. Let's see. And I guess you have to actually start the roll to see what it looks like. which I'm having such a hard time with it now. Excuse me. Let's see if I can find something to assist me. See, here's my other washi right here. So cute. Okay, focus, Shonda. Where's my X-Acto knife? Where's my tweezers? Here's my X-Acto knife. So let's see. If I can get it started, it's gonna be on. It's kind of going too far. Yep, I'm tearing it up. Okay, finally got it going. So here we go. So you can, this is more like vertical. So it goes like that. Cute, cute, cute. Look at the girls on there. I'm gonna pull out just a little bit more just to see. It repeats right here. So that's that. Okay, tearing that up. I'm gonna throw these pieces away. I don't know if it sticks real good though. Might just be my fingers right now. Okay, so the next thing is just the list pad. It has notes at the top. Then it says, be gentle with yourself on your self-care journey. And I'm not gonna, yes I am. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And, okay. Just a little notepad, pretty thick. I like it, I like it. That's that. What else did we get? Here's the pen. Look at her, she is too cute. It's just a little enamel pen. Very cute. Very little cute hairstyle, and it's a pretty heavy pen. So yeah, it has two things on the back because it's so heavy. That's nice. Okay, let's go next and look at the papers. So this is the sheet of acetate that you get with the kit. And those kind of remind me of lips, but it's not really lips. It's look like a little, just a squiggle pattern. But you can, to me, I see lips in it. You might not see lips, but I see lips. Okay, so that's that. Then you get, oh, this is cute, the Geometric Squares vellum. And it's red and a kind of that beigey tan brown-ish color. And then black. So that's the vellum that came with the kit. Now, the papers. A little dotted geometric pattern, dotted rectangle geometric pattern on one side. And then, oh, these bows, these ribbons, they are so cute. And then that's red and beige. And then red and tan. And you get two sheets like that. So this and this. That's how those two are. Then you get some more square geometric pattern in black and white. Oh, this is so cute. And this combo is so, it's gonna look so good together. Look at that. It's mixing patterns, but it works, it works. And then so you see the same colors that are in the squares on the vellum and the ribbon and everything. So you can do a variety of different combinations. This and this can go together. This and this can go together. I just said that. That's not what I meant. You get the point. So you get two of those. Then you get a plaid with these colors in it, the red, the beige, and the black and white. And then the other side is the geometric pattern that's kind of on the back of the bag that I showed you earlier. Excuse me. So Those are the 6 papers that came with the kit. And last but not least, no, that's not last but not least, we have some stickers, but we have different kinds of stickers. So the first kind of sticker we have is some journal memes, and you get 4 quote stickers and then 4 dog stickers, and these are the dogs that come with the kit. So this one says emotionally, spiritually, and mentally secured. This one says start the journey. This one says be open to the raw truth. Honey, yes, you have to accept the truth. And then it says grow up and show up. Can't keep acting like a kid and whining every time something doesn't go your way. Grow up, accept it, and show up and do what you need to do. Yes, honey. Okay, and then you have 2 stickers, 2 sticker sheets with the dolls from the kit. These are the Ascend into Greatness dolls. And we have one, she's a plus size girl. These 2 are kind of plus size. And these, you don't have a full body of them. But her makeup and her lashes, honey, are on point. I like her little locks, her pixie cut. And honey, this girl right here, she is sitting in that chair. Look at that. If you could see her facial expression, it's like, honey, I am totally unbothered. So those are the doll stickers. And then you get 2 weekly kits. So the first kit says, sis, you have the power to create and the power to destroy. Choose wisely. And it has the plus size dolls on it. A hexagon that says set yourself free. A hexagon that says be fluid on your journey. This one says move and flow. Then you have your standard date headers, days of the week headers, some today and remember headers, important, bills, notes, today, bill, due. So her typical kit. And then this one has the, excuse me, main doll. I call her the main doll because her face is on almost everything. And it says, sis, level up on the inside, not on the outside. Get yourself right on the inside. That means in your spirit and your soul. This one says, plan with me. This one says, on the royal path to authenticity. This one says, glowing and growing. And then you have your dates, days of the week, and the standard headers. So yeah, I am in love with this kit. I cannot wait to move my things into my pen. This bag. I'm going to move my pens into that bag. And let me just spread out everything so you can see the entire kit in all of its glory. Stack these papers so you can see each one. Oh, I forgot my washi that I kind of tore up. And then the papers and the vellum. I love, this is probably my favorite paper in the kit. Love the color combinations. Here we have our papers and then the little pen. Cute, 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 cute. Let me know what you think about the latest box from Isis Ellis Jewels, the Jewel Box. Also, let me know if you like this video by giving it a big, big thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. How do you become a subscriber? You know what to do. There's a little red subscription button about right there. Go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Also hit the gray notification bell. That way, whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Guys, it's been real. It's been fun. I love my latest jewel box. And I hope you liked it too. It's been real fun. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.